Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an account on Libertex in iPhone. So first you need to download the Libertex app if you do not have, so you can simply go to your app store and search it for Libertex app, and download it from there. But if you are on desktop, you need to go to the official website libertex.org, and you can always make sure that you're using the official app or website to avoid scams. So once you already have it, you need to tap or click sign up. So simply tap on the Libertex app, and over here on the bottom we could see sign up. Tap on the sign up. Over here you are required to type down your email or password, and you are required to create a strong password as well, and make sure the password is strong enough. And after you're done, you're required for your character letters, your lowercase letters, and at least a number. And after you're done making your password, you can simply select continue, or you can also use one of the option on the bottom. You can see there's Apple logo. You can also connect to your Apple logo. You can directly tap on the Apple logo and you'll be signed into your Libertex account, or you can do that with Google as well. And after you're done, select continue. So over here you need to toggle on this icon and the terms and conditions from Libertex, and after you're done, select continue. And to continue, you need to verify your email address, and you need to click the link that have sent into your email. So go to your Gmail app. Over here we just see the Libertex confirmation. You tap on that mail, and over here scroll a bit down and you'll find this option that says confirm email address. Tap on the confirm email address and select any of these above, and here the email has just been confirmed to your Libertex account. And once verified, you can deposit funds using credit, debit cards, bank transfer, or supported e-wallets. You need to start with the minimum deposit to test the platform safely. And now you can select start trading, and you can enjoy your trading in Libertex app. You can now explore markets, forex, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and CFDs. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like and comment down below if you have trouble signing up to your Libertex account. Simply comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.